Hi viewers! In this video I'd like to show you how to restore old photos with AI tools. As we know, there are already some AI tools that can fix blurry photos, but some old photos might have these scratches and cracks, which are pretty hard to be removed. To solve this problem, HitPaw Photo AI can be useful. You can enter the official site and access HitPaw Photo AI for your Windows or Mac devices. Check the link in the description. Install and launch it. So firstly, choose the AI Enhancer function. Drag and drop to import your photo. There are 7 AI models to choose. Each one can be helpful under different cases. As this is an old photo with scratches, you can choose Scratch Repair. Under the model there is a Face Model button. Considering the photo is badly damaged and blurry, we are ticking the Face Model as well. Next, choose your desired resolution from the drop-down menu. You can customize the output size to up to 32K Super High Res. But usually 8K is enough for daily use. Then click on Preview. Cool! You can notice that the scratches are basically removed nicely. What's more, the face and other details are well fixed. Look at the teeth and the eyes, the AI restores the missing details and makes the photo looking natural. You might notice that there are still some flaws in the girl's forehead. No worries, we can fix that. Let's export the photo first. Then go to the home page. Now choose the Object Removal function. Import the photo we just exported. Here, use the brush tool to paint over the black lines in the forehead. Then click on Preview. The flaws will be easily cleaned at once. You can repeat the process to keep refining the photo until you are satisfied with the output. Everything is very easy to handle. Alright, that's all for today's video. You can use HitPaw Photo AI to fix other old photos using this method. If this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.